Hi, I'm Bill Garvin. In this video, I'd like to demonstrate for you some of the products that you're going to be able to hoop with your Durkee Easy Framer Plus. This device is designed to work with your industry round hoops, home and commercial, everything from the 9 centimeter up to 21 centimeter. It also works great with your mighty hoops up to 7 1/4 inch, as well as your easy frames from Durkee up to 7 1/4 inch. One of the challenges you'll find in the industry is hooping the back of hats. With the Durkee Easy Framer Plus, you will find it very easy to hoop the back of hats. The most common hoop used for the back of hats is our 12 centimeter round hoop. I've got my Easy Framer Plus adjusted for the 12 centimeter. We're going to hoop the backing holder with my cap backing. We're going to take the adjustable hat and lay it over top. So you'll find that this frees your hands up because of the shape and the way the frame is made. We're going to start the hoop in. You're able to reach around and grab underneath the bottom of the hat, hold the frame into place, make any adjustments to the material, and then simply press to hoop the back of the hat. From there, we're going to hoop one of the more difficult hats in the industry. This is your flex fit or auto flex hats. Once again, we've got our outer ring in place. We're going to mount our cap backing under our backing holder. We're going to take the fitted hat, once again laying it into place where we want it to be. Putting our hoop into place, holding the front edge into place, once again making any adjustments to the hat before you press to hoop. Once done, simply press and you successfully hooped the back of a flex fit, auto flex, or fitted cap. Now we're going to use our Durkee Easy Framer Plus to hoop a bucket cap. A lot of people find this a challenge in the industry. What we're using is our Durkee Easy Frame 2.5 by 4 inch. If you'll notice on the Easy Framer Plus, what I've done is reversed the frame holders. This is done by just the thumb screws on the bottom, allowing me to put the Easy Frame into place. We're using the sticky backing on the back. We're going to position our bucket cap into place, getting it straight. If you notice, I do have the sweat band opened out, and we're simply going to apply it down to the adhesive. From there, it's ready to come off and go onto the machine, onto your Durkee Easy Frame. Next, what we're going to hoop is a beanie or skull cap. A lot of people have problems with these in the industry because they like to treat them as hats. This is one of the products that will probably stretch more than anything else that you can embroider, even your 100% polyester polo shirts. For that reason, always hoop with cutaway backing and solvay on top. Treat it flat and you'll have much better success. What we're going to use here is the 4.5 inch mighty hoop. Attach our standard 2.5 ounce backing. Put our beanie into place. Position. Always make sure to use your solvay on the top and do not float it on the top of the hoop. Make sure it's hooped inside with everything else. From there, we're going to position and attach our mighty hoop. And from there, we're ready to take off, put on the machine, and successfully embroider our beanie or skull cap. Now what we're going to do is hoop a backpack. Once again, using our Durkee Easy Framer Plus, completely adjustable for different hoops and frames in the industry. For this presentation, we're going to use the 5.5 inch mighty hoop, the magnetic hoop that will fit right into your Durkee Easy Framer. We're going to apply our backing. Slide our backpack into place, not hooping the entire bag, but even through the zipper. Position and down, and then ready to go onto the machine and embroider your backpack. Now we're going to hoop another backpack, but this time we're going to use our Durkee Easy Frame. This is the 5" by 4". If you'll notice also that the frame holders that come with the Durkee Easy Frame Plus also have notches cut out for centering position, as well as your Durkee Easy Frame. So if you'll notice, there's a notch here, a notch here. I've simply turned this frame holder around to make it square, position it so it's centered. From there, I'm using the sticky backing. We're going to place the backpack into place and then simply adhere it down to the backing. From there, remove. It's ready to go onto the machine and embroider in your Durkee Easy Frame using your Easy Framer Plus. Now we're going to hoop a canvas tote bag with the largest round 21 centimeter hoop. If you'll notice, I have removed the frame holder that has the backing holder on it and replaced it with the additional frame holder that comes with your Durkee Easy Framer Plus. I've got my outer ring adjusted. We're going to slide the tote bag into place. Now keep in mind that the tote bag is extremely stable. It will embroider well. However, if you would like to use a piece of backing with this, once you have it on the machine, you can float your cutaway backing underneath. Because of the size of this 21 centimeter hoop, how I'm going to hoop this is we're going to push the top hoop inside of the outer ring. I'm going to reach around the sides and grab the sides of the hoop, and then at the bottom we're just going to press and wiggle that hoop down into place, making sure that the hoop is pulled up all the way around, and now that's ready to be embroidered on your machine. Using your Durkee Easy Framer Plus, you can also hoop the sleeve of your polo shirts. If you'll notice, all I've done is taken the frame holder and reversed it. I brought the one with the backing holder to the front edge. We're hooping a polyester shirt, so we're using the action back. You're going to slide it into place. Your backing holder is also adjustable, so you can tighten it down to hold. You're going to take the sleeve of your shirt, place it on the frame, take our backing, our other frame, make any adjustments, and then simply press. From there, you are hooped and ready to embroider the sleeve of your shirts. Now we're going to use the Durkee Easy Framer Plus as well as the 7" by 7" Durkee Easy Frame to do the pants leg on a pair of shorts. If you notice, what I've done is I removed the frame holder that has the backing clip on it. We're simply using one frame holder that has the notch for center position. I've got it adjusted for the frame, line up my 2 notches for center, put it into place. From there, we're going to take the pair of shorts, slide it onto the frame. We're using the sticky backing. This will allow me to reach around, hold it straight, and flatten out the material onto the sticky backing. From there, we're ready to take off, put on the machine, and embroider. Using our Durkee Easy Frame Plus, we're going to use our traditional 9 centimeter hoop to hoop the cuff of a dress shirt. Some people find this difficult in the industry, and this is the pretty standard hoop that comes with about every machine out there. If you notice that the frame holders are adjusted, I got my backing holder at the top. We're going to place our backing into place, slide the cuff of our shirt in place where we need it to be. Because of the width of the Durkee Easy Framer Plus, it's easy to reach around to hold materials into place, position, and then simply press the hoop into place, and you're ready to embroider the monograms on the cuffs of your dress shirts. Hooping the sleeve and cuff of a dress shirt using a Durkee Easy Frame. This is our 2" by 4" with the sticky backing. Using this on our Durkee Easy Framer Plus, if you'll notice, all I've done is turn the frame holder around on both sides, making it square. I've got my center mark to line up my frame, putting it into place, Again, using the sticky backing, taking the cuff of our shirt, putting it into place, getting it straight, press it down onto the sticky backing, and then from there we're ready to go onto our easy frame on your embroidery machine and embroider the cuff of the dress shirt.